Today's an exciting day. Today we received our crate motor. That's right. In this box is a rebuilt Model A engine that's going to go into the 1930 Fordor behind me. So let's take the box apart and see what's inside.
Hey y'all, do you need a new grease gun for your Model A? Want me to lube your joints? Nah, I'm just joking. But I'm not joking about this website. It's called modelatshirts.com. They've got some really cool stuff that depicts Model A's. Let's take a look. At the top of the page, click on the year of your car and find the body type. Let's say that it's a 1930 sports coupe. Scroll down and you'll find a number of products depicting a sports coupe. Order today.
Well, there you have it. Our crated motor has been uncrated and on the engine stand, all ready to be assembled, which is the fun of restoration, right? Won't take too much time, I don't think. I don't know. We got all the parts, fortunately, so a few hours out here, but this is really nice. Antique engine repair. Did a good job on this. I see stainless steel seats in here for the valve seats. New stainless steel valves. New pistons. I know that there's inserted bearings in here. No more Babbitt. New timing gears. Both of them are brand new on here, so that's nice. The real rebuild came with all the parts, all of the studs for the head, all the nuts. Gosh, I don't even know. There's a ton of parts here that he sent. Clutch plate as well, and that came with the pressure plate and the clutch housing and the head. Got a new refurbished head. Now, I will tell you, this is the stock Model A engine. This is not the touring version. I know that a number of companies out there that will make for you with counterweighted crank and stuff like that. So this is down to the basics, 5.5 compression head, I believe. So we're down to rebuilding it in its original form, only with modernized parts, which is really nice. And we'll be able to handle the leaded or unleaded fuel a little bit better. So I'm happy with it. I think he did a good job rebuilding it. Only time will tell if it runs. And I guess that's on my shoulders. Huh? He did his job. Now it's me to get it, this thing to run. So, okay. So the next step will be assembling this engine, getting it, the pan on, the oil pump in, all that good stuff, and getting it prepared to go back into the car. That's next time around.